In 2026, AI literacy fits in 200 lines. This is MicroGPT, the successor to the bigram tutorials that defined how a generation understands neural networks. But the era of manual coding is dying, replaced by the rise of autonomous agentic engineering systems. The MicroGPT architecture is a masterpiece of minimalism, featuring a full auto-grade engine and optimizer within its tiny footprint. By stripping away raw execution efficiency, it maintains absolute clarity for researchers who need to understand deep mechanics. This pocket watch version of an LLM proves you don't need billions of parameters to grasp the core fundamentals. The bigram is no longer the final project. Systems like auto research now manage the entire process, spawning thousands of model variations, while humans simply monitor the overarching strategy of the fleet, turning developers into architects of systems. Efficiency gains turn months of research into hours of compute time, as our manual skills begin to atrophy in this automated world. But a new threat is rising. By late 2026, the internet is flooded by the Slopacolypse, a tidal wave of low-quality AI noise. The Slopacolypse is a fundamental threat to the training data that foundational models rely on to improve reasoning. When clean text is drowned by recycled slop, models collapse into a feedback loop of mediocrity that destroys performance. We are reaching a saturation point, where data itself is becoming toxic to the growth of machine intelligence. GitHub is drowning now. Code quality is dropping. AI tutors fail logic. Critical thinking is vanishing. Errors recycle in loops. The ecosystem is failing. Pretraining must evolve from simple data ingestion into a sophisticated logic-first filtering process for all datasets in the pipeline. It is no longer about token quantity, but the verifiable truth and reasoning depth within the training set itself. Anthropic is defining the new frontier by treating data like a curated library rather than a digital landfill, using constitutional AI for logic. Logic matters more than scale. The era of brute force token ingestion is finally coming to a close. Andrej Karpathy joined the Anthropic pre-training team in May 2026 to refine these systems for an agentic future. By focusing on high-fidelity data, they build models that resist the Slopacolypse and maintain deep reasoning. This is a resilient form of intelligence designed for the noisy world we now inhabit. The performance gap is now undeniable for researchers. Claude Opus 4.6 leads with 75.6% on Swebench, while GPT 5.4 trails at 59% on the Pro benchmark, proving curated data wins. We are finally entering the era of Software 3.0, where machines write the code. Agents manage the entire lifecycle of software creation, from ideation to deployment, for every single user on the planet. Agents write every line. Manual skills atrophy fast. Claude disruptions occurred recently. Critical systems shut down. Access is restoring now. The frontier remains unstable. AI is a battle between scale and quality. We have moved from building individual gears to managing the entire automated factory floor of the agentic revolution, where logic is the ultimate currency. You must master agentic engineering while maintaining foundational knowledge of how these models work under the hood. This balance ensures you remain the director of the machine, rather than a passenger in its wake. The future of coding belongs to those who bridge the gap between human intuition and machine scale in the coming age. Are you ready for Software 3.0? Subscribe to stay ahead and find the MicroGPT code linked below. The age of the agentic engineer has begun.